Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Fresh, which launches on the 1st of November at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this great new free traffic generation product from Kevin Fahey, who, as many of you know, is one of my favourite marketers, a well-respected Irish marketer. And I have to say that I'm more excited about this release than I have been about many others in the last sort of 2 years really online, because it's absolutely perfect for my audience who all like free traffic generation products, and that's exactly what Fresh is. As you can see by the description here, it enables you to tap into 100% automated 100% automated traffic engine that generates hyper-targeted free traffic and converts it into leads and sales on complete autopilot. It's the same exact system that Kevin's been using for the past 6 months in demo mode to generate 5-figure affiliate paydays. It's a very exciting system. 100% it works to get you completely free traffic. There's no expense that you need to pay beyond the $9.95 front end price for this. There are obviously upsells that can enhance things further, but it will work absolutely fine with just the front end $9.95 purchase, which makes it, you know, an unbelievable package. So if that sounds good to you, then listen on to this review. I'll also be going through the bonuses that you can pick up if you click on any of these green buttons here anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point it will expire. And obviously I don't want that to happen because I want you to have those bonuses which are exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to check out what other people are offering with their demo versions of Fresh, because you can always come back to this page when you realize that the bonuses that I am offering when you pick it up through my link are exclusive and will uniquely improve your chances of success with this product. So we will go through the sales page shortly. We will also have a look at the upsells that are available. We will also have a look inside the members area, and we'll also have a look at what the end product looks like once you've created your completely free reports, which are going to get you traffic. So firstly, let's deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link below, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in this spot here. What's Fresh all about? This one exclusive training bundle alone can literally alter the course of your business, turning you into a wildly profitable marketer capable of sending premium quality traffic to affiliate, CPA, or even your own offers and generating sales literally on demand. Find out how to get off the crazy traffic generation roller coaster and get more consistency in your business while driving premium quality leads to your landing pages and offers. This one strategy allows you to tap into other people's distribution channels so you can directly promote your products to brand new audiences. And finally, find out how to get tons of free traffic from other people's platforms who already have your dream customers and lead them straight into your funnel. It really is an absolutely superb system, folks. So I've rolled out the red carpet, so to speak, and included a big package of traffic related bonuses, most of which in some cases I've not offered for several years. So firstly, a system that's going to show you how you can get 1 million website visitors in 1 month. That's right, 1 million website visitors in a single month. Secondly, a YouTube traffic masterclass, obviously, that shows you how you can maximize the free traffic that's available from YouTube. Thirdly, 4 free website traffic super hacks, more and more ways that you can get completely free organic traffic, and my own state-of-the-art flagship traffic product, Total Traffic, which is my own ultimate traffic generation course that teaches you the 15 different methods that I use to get daily traffic to my offers. I'm also going to give you free silver membership of Traffic Generation Club. If you head over to the Traffic Generation Club website right now, trafficgenerationclub.com, you will see that silver membership costs you $97. I'm giving it to you completely free. Also, 2 complete video training programs, Traffic Rampage, and also the Traffic Builder Playbook. Also going to give you a LinkedIn free traffic masterclass. Folks, you'll have traffic coming out of your ears by the time you've used just these bonuses, never mind the main product. TweetX shows you a way to get money out of what is now X, Elon Musk's platform, of course, and of course you'll get the vendor bonuses that Kevin is included, which I will go through in just a minute. So as you can see, folks, a whole range of reasons why you should only pick up Fresh from my affiliate link. Okay, then the sales video is obviously on the main page. You can watch that by clicking on the button there, and Kevin will take you through everything. I'm going to let you read the sales page on your own, folks, because obviously there's not a lot to be gained by me just reading out the sales page word for word to you, but it is worth reading it in full because Kevin produces completely no bullshit sales pages. He's a 100% ethical marketer. Just Google his name and search for his track record. You'll see that he is, one of the most respected in the industry. So you can pretty much take as a fact everything that's written on this sales page. Obviously, it includes step-by-step sales training, which I'll show you in a moment. But I just want to show you really on this page is just the bonuses that Kevin's also including. By the way, one of the persons writing a testimonial for this is Brian Alcock, who's a member of my very own Elite Academy, my own high-ticket program. So I know this guy personally. He's one of my students. So if he's written something on here as a testimonial, then you can take it that it's 100% accurate. Okay, now in terms of the bonus bundle, let's have a look and see what you've got. Okay, does it list it there? No, so let's have a look at this upsell here. Bonuses, yeah, Kevin's productivity hacks, that's very good. Productivity hacks templates, a 7-figure book bundle. Commission 5, this is a really good product. I've got this one myself. Commission 5, that's included as a bonus. Emergency report for marketers, that is actually superb. That came out a couple of years ago when things started going not as well as they had been on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. So it tells you how to cope with changing market conditions. Very good. And it also includes access to Kevin's Facebook mastermind group. All right, so that is pretty much the sales page. So let's go into the members area. As I said, the front end is just $9.95. So this is the welcome video that I'm going through like right now. So you've really got just 3 main training modules, which is the introduction. Well, you've got the welcome video when you arrive, about 4 minutes long. Then you've got a very short introduction video, finding offers. If you don't know how to find offers, a lot of you will be experienced. You'll already have plenty of stuff that you're ready to promote. But if you need help in finding stuff that's going to work well inside Fresh, then it will teach you how to find good offers. I recommend that you watch all of this anyway, even if you're proficient at finding offers yourself. And then how to submit your report. So in other words, how to use everything that's included with this, including AI, to submit your report and get it ready to put into the system. There's also some additional training for different methods and approaches, Fresh Reports funnel and SEO hacks and killer keywords. So these are all additional training. This is all you need to get up and running, folks, is just these 1, 2, 3 videos here. So just, a very short amount of time. This is for more detailed training for those who really want to get into it. We'll go through the upgrades in a moment, but if you've bought the upgrades, the Pro upgrade, which enables you to do mass submission, the training for that is here. There's also 20 done for you free reports, which we'll come on to for another upsell. Again, you'll find all of them here. And this is if you've got reseller rights, and this is where you will access Kevin's bonuses that we've just shown you earlier. That's where you access them from. And then when you click on this button, all reports, it brings you through to this page here. So this is what you're going to be creating using AI and the training to create these reports here, which will appear here, and that will be you'll get traffic to from a number of different sources, which will be explained to in the training. You'll also get traffic, by the way, just from people coming to this site, other members checking out other offers. You can see this hasn't even gone live yet, and just from people that have got like review access and stuff like that. You know, this particular one here, how to make money as an AI freelancer, this has already got traffic, 107 likes to this particular report, and the product isn't even live yet. You know, this is like half an hour before we go live. So this traffic hasn't come exclusively from within this members area. This has come from external sources that will be explained in the training, how you actually get access to your reports being shared elsewhere, and organic traffic from Google. Kevin will show you again how you can use this to actually get your reports ranking highly on Google and other search engines. It really is, it's the ultimate traffic system, folks. It's really, really easy to use. As I said, in terms of the setup, there are literally just the welcome video and 3 more videos to watch that will show you how to submit your report. If you're already adept at finding offers, you know, really you'll only need, you know, a couple of videos to be able to get set up with this. And once you know how to do it once, you'll be able to do it over and over again. So as I said, I can't stress highly enough how good a traffic system this actually is. So in terms of those upsells, which I recommend, so the front offer obviously is fresh. The first upsell is the done for you report. So if you want to make things even easier for yourself and have Kevin create the reports for you, then for $37, you know, you don't even have to do the basic bit of copy and paste work and working with the AI. Kevin will do it for you. $37 for 20 done for you reports. If you only want 10, then you can have those as well for $19. Mass submission, this is what I showed you in here, which is this second lot of training. That will enable you to do mass submissions to multiple sites, and again that is going to be $26. Reseller rights, so in other words, you can get 100% commission for this entire sales funnel instead of the regular 50%. That is $96. The ARM system, which is a system that Kevin released earlier this year, which is another brilliant system. I think I've done a sales video for it, so sorry, a review video for it, so check that out. But anyway, it's $24.12. There's a pro version that goes along with that and some other bits and pieces. And finally, there's a pass for Kevin's all access pass to all of his previous products, which is $147, which is highly reduced price. Again, I highly recommend it. You know, I buy nearly everything Kevin comes out myself. He's one of the very, very few marketers these days that I buy stuff from. You know, there's literally about 2 or 3 people that I ever buy products from these days, and Kevin is one of them. So that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to get all of these massive bundle of traffic related bonuses that I've thrown in, don't forget all of this is for less than $10, folks. It really is. It should be a complete no-brainer for you to pick this up. But then once you have picked it up, obviously you will find you can access your Warrior Plus purchase in the usual way by clicking on the green button. And when you go into your Warrior Plus members area, click on the blue button inside your members area that says Access Affiliate Bonuses, and that is where you'll get access to all of these extras here, whereas opposed to Kevin's bonuses, obviously his bonuses you access inside the members area by clicking on that button there. So that's pretty much it, folks. Obviously it goes without saying, you can probably tell I'm going to give this my highest rating, my Elite Tigers Group 5-star rating. So I hope that you will go ahead and pick it up with my bonuses. Thanks as usual for watching this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath, and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed every time that I bring out new content on this channel. So until the next time, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group with my review of Fresh.